Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change app icon size on Android phone and a very easy customization. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is to go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to personalization. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you go to desktop settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to appearance. The next thing you need to do is to go to icon size. Then take you right here. Here, you can decide to make it 110%. That is, make it more big. You can decide to make it maximum, which is 120%. Then you have it right here. By the time you exit and you come back to your screen right here, you can see all the apps icons right here are much bigger. If I go back right here, I decide to make it 90%. And by the time I go to my icon home screen, you can see right here. If I go back here and I decide to make it 80%, it's more tiny, just like what you see right here. You can see it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your app icon size on your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.